This will be for YouTube. Today is 10/25/22. 2 months away from Christmas. Christmas. Yep. He's making a list. He's checking it twice. Where's my notebook?
You put Christmas decorations way into November?
No. All right. Order of operations. Day 2. Tomorrow we'll deal with some negative numbers. Today we'll just be with more exponents. Today what makes it hard are the exponents. Tomorrow what makes it hard are your negative numbers. All right, so 2 to the power of 2 plus 16 divided by 4. All right, so we have this problem and we have this problem. Remember everything we circle except for your addition and subtraction sign. Do not circle that. All right, what's 2 to the power of 2?
4.
4, right? Because 2 to the power of 2 means 2 times 2, so that gives you 4. Plus, what's 16 divided by 4?
4.
And then at the end, what is 4 plus 4?
8.
That is your answer. All right. Starts off pretty easy. No big deal. All right. 4 to the power of 3 is not 12. Divided by 2 plus 16. So, when we circle all of this, and then that. The only thing we don't circle is your addition sign. So what does 4 to the power of 3 mean?
4 times 3.
No.
4 times 4 times 4.
Yes, this means 4 times 4 times 4, right? It is not 12. I said that, didn't I, when I wrote it down? So what's 4 times 4? 16. Then I got another 4. Because if we wanted to do 4 times 3, we would have written just 4 times 3. That's not special. The reason it's written this way is because it means something different. It doesn't mean 4 times 3. It has to mean something different. Oh, because it means 4 times 4 times 4. This 3 tells you to write it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That's what this 3 means. Okay? All right, what's 16 times 4? 64. So that math problem is just 64. Divided by 2.
32.
Am I done? Nope. So this is 32. What have I not used? Plus 16. 32 plus 16. You're going to use this 4 to the power of 3 in your classwork. So make sure, so you don't have to do the math again, that you remember 4 to the power of 3 is 64. Just so it saves you some time. We okay? All right, 3 to the power of 3, which is not 9, minus 5 to the power of 2, which is not 10, plus 10.
7.
Oh, I forgot to do something. All right. So what is 3 to the power of 3?
27.
Yes. This means 3 times 3 times 3. And you can do them in pairs, right? 3 times 3 is 9. Then times 3 is 27, right? Could you use your multiplication table? Yes, I'd rather use your multiplication table than wait for us. All right, minus 5 to the power of 2 is 5 times 5. So that's 25 plus 10. So now that you have this problem, you're going to do it from left to right. What'd you guys get? Yep, good. Does it look hard? Yeah. You know, and a lot of kids still think this is 9. Don't do that. Don't be that kid. Be better. All right? All right, cool. All right, uno más before we get started on the most difficult worksheet today.
Are you being sarcastic?
It could be a little, it's not easy. It's easy, but it's not like super easy. It will positively challenge you. 1 to the power of 3 is not 3. Plus 6 squared is not 12. Minus 12. A lot of kids mess up on the Aliyah 1 to the power of 3. They definitely think it's 3. No. What is it? Yeah. It is 1 times 1 times 1. 1 times 1 times 1 is equal to 1.
Wow.
So what if I give you like 1 to the power of 100?
100. One.
Y'all heard that. It is 1. Isaiah. 6 to the power of 2?
36.
So plus 36 minus 12. Come on. Everybody should be able to do this. 1 plus 36 minus 12 is...
What would happen if I give all that like electrolyte powder mixture? Is that three powders?
Well, y'all know what 37 minus 12 is, right? You don't even need to see the answer I wrote down. Y'all know I got it right. You got it right.
That's an abomination.
No, that's a negative. It's 0.258256 plus pi.
What?
Plus pi.
Yeah, plus pi.
Apple pie season coming up. Pumpkin pie.
It is.
I've been pumpkin pie for like weeks now.
Try our best.
I got one
Sure,
time.
we're proud of our notes, and let's finish out. Samantha, make sure we finish it out. You're probably going to need your agenda multiplication table.
Yeah.
If you need a multiplication table, take out your agenda. The little one is not enough. I mean, if you're good with your multiplication, you don't need it, obviously. But if you know that you need that multiplication table, I would take out your agenda. Agenda. All right, I'm going to do the first 2 with you. Circling will be your friend on this worksheet. Circling will definitely be your friend. All right. So, number 1, I'm going to circle the 4 to the power of 3 and the 15 divided by 3.
Oh.
We're on the front side.
Where's the front?
Holes are on the...
Right.
All right. 4 to the power of 3 is in your notes. It's the second problem we did. So look, second problem we did. What is 4 to the power of 3?
46.
64. Plus, what is 15 divided by 3? 5. So 64 plus 5. Good. Isaiah, we shouldn't be on our iPads or touching our iPads or anything that have to do with iPads. All right, I'm going to do number 2 with you. Now, we circle all of this, right? And then the 28. Here I have 2 things going on in number 2. I have a multiplication and I have an exponent. What do I do first? The multiplication or the exponent? Exponent. And the exponent in here is 2 to the power of 4. So I need 4, number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's what that 4 tells me to do. It tells me to write it down 4 times. And we're going to multiply everything. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So then I multiply these 2 numbers. So like I pair them up. When there's like a lot of exponents, I just pair them. This gives me 16. Am I done? No, I still have 7 times 16. This is where you can go on the side. 16 times 7 on the side over here. 6 times 7 is 42. Carry the 4. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 4 is 12. So this circle all gives me 112. Am I done? No. What do I still have to do? Subtract 28. Now, am I going to try to do this in my head and possibly mess up? Nope. I'm going to go on the side and go 112 minus 28. And I'm going to borrow. I'm a 7th grader and I should know how to turn this into proper subtraction by borrowing. Write this down, ladies and gentlemen.